Hello guys, welcome back to my channel guys. Today I will going to show you how to make a paper boat and aeroplane. Guys, I can show you the magic tricks because I don't have any more tricks of that. That's why I will try it and show you. But today I will going to show you how to make a paper boat and plane. So let's see what should be the first step to make the paper boat. For paper boat, take a square paper of any size but not so small and not so big. It should be medium or my size paper also you can take. Then fold it like this and then again fold. Means it will come a small square and then do it like this and you will see three sheets over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Only take 3 sheets, let the 4 should be over there and do it like this. And the 4th sheet should be over there only. So guys, we have done this much and the 4th sheet do it like this. Not over here like this, not in the 3. Do it back. Then we have done this much. Now let's see what should do next. So in next part, do it like this. Means you can also make a cap also. If you want to make boat, then do it like this. And now the final part. Open it like this and your boat will get automatically ready. So guys, this our boat is ready. You can also make this boat and try to keep in water. So and see what happened. Sometimes it fail also. If you want, you can play also. Now let's see how to make a paper aeroplane. For that we want a sheet of any color, but that should be rectangular. First of all, we will fold it like this and it should be nicely like the boat was. The plane should also be like this. So I fold it nicely. So now let's open it. Then here will come a line. So then take the sheet and do it till the line only like this. Till the line I have done, and then other part also like this I have done. So guys, you can also do it like this, and then next part this come at down. Means now I have done it like this. It comes down. So this we have done. Again there will come a line. Look, I have a line. Then again do it like the we do in first part. Means we have fold it like this. Look, do it like this and then again one more like that, simple. So guys, we have done this much and then there will come a small also shape. Do triangle means and then do it like this. We have done this much and then fold it like this. Then you have done your plane, but now it will not open nicely. That's why see what you need to do next, and then see the paper and do it like this. Means fold it. Look like this. The paper was like this. I have done it like this. So this is this much, and then again take that also over here and your plane is ready. So you can fly it in the sky and it works. So guys, if you like my today's video, like and share your friends also. So bye guys and have a good day.